Hello guys, good morning. I hope you are fine and you are ready to this work. Well, today we will be working on what is a Diwali. Okay, I know that in the last unit I posted you a situation about immigration here in Juarez and you had to give your opinion about this situation or this topic. Now it's going to be a little different. First, I need to explain you what is a real Diwali and why is this important to life. Well, you are about to be professionals and to work in a professional area. Now, in that professional area, there is going to be many people that want to be competition for you. I'm not saying that competition is a bad way of winning things. Yes, it is. And you guys need to be ready for that competition on the professional area and to defeat your thoughts and your positions and different situations, okay? I was reading the other day that, for example, Diego Garcia wants to be an engineer. Okay, Diego, well, you need to be prepared for the Diwali in case of that. You have other engineering companies that want to sell a product. Well, you need to be ready to defeat why is your company the best company to do the project. Now, once you have known already why is a Diwali important for you, I need to tell you and get you a little bit closer to a real Diwali. Why do you think that a Diwali is important? Well, there are three principal things why a Diwali is important. First is educational. If you don't know, there are different channels on the TV where you can see Diwalis about any topic, and from that you can learn a lot of things about topics probably you didn't understand or you didn't know that exist. Next, Diwali are truth testing. Sometimes people are on a posture where they don't want to change. For example, we can talk about the abort. And many people may say, yes, I do want to abort. And now I want abort to be legal in my country. But once you have a Diwali, you notice or you know that your thoughts are not the correct ones for the community. So it is a very good truth testing. And obviously it's entertaining. There's a lot of people that love watching these kind of shows or these kinds of discussions between people that know about the topic. And just for fun, they watch it and they learn at the same time. So, right here, I am going to tell you what topic we are going to be discussing about. Well, first, we are 4 students in the class. We have Darien, we have Diego Garcia, we have Jimena Reyes, and Valeria Colunga, right? And for this, I need you guys to be separated into groups. Diwalis are like that. There are groups that are in favor of a situation, and there are 2 that are not in favor or that are the opposite team of what they are discussing. So, right here we have the topic. Homeschooling is better than going to school, like physically. Now, I need to please Darien and Diego be on the team of yes, homeschooling is better than going to a real school and assisting to a school. And Valeria and Jimena are going to be the ones saying that no, homeschooling is not good for students. It's better to go to school because tomorrow we are going to have video call at 10 a.m. from 10 a.m. to 10:30. I am going to be the mediator, okay, the person that is going to be saying, okay, now it's your turn to talk, it's your turn, because if I wouldn't exist, probably the Diwali will be a mess and everybody will be fighting and everybody will be screaming and not waiting for their turn. So there is always a person that measures the time and says, okay, now stop what you're saying, it's your turn. And then he stops and the next person starts talking. There is time for each opinion. For tomorrow, everyone is going to have 20 seconds to say what they think about homeschooling. Okay, remember, Diego and Darien are on favor of homeschooling, and Valeria and Jimena, you are the opposite side. Okay, you think that homeschooling, it's not the best thing, it's bad. For a DeVaDi, you guys, you need to have a lot of information, probably in bullet points in your notebook, or you need to read a lot and memorize the information, because when you go and say your opinion, your opinions need to be based on investigations or in authors that are specialized on that area or that topic. Okay, so to repeat again, we are going to make a DeVaDi tomorrow on the video call about homeschooling. Is homeschooling better than going to a school physically and learn there? Darien and Diego, you are going to say yes, homeschooling is better. Valeria and Jimena, you're going to say no, homeschooling is not better than assisting to a real school and a real classroom. Okay, you are going to search for information about homeschooling, and does this affect or does this make problems on the development of a student. Okay, tomorrow at 10 a.m. we are going to have the DeVaDi. I need 5 bullet points, 5 main ideas about what you guys search for. You're going to take a picture of it and send it to the platform, to the homework. Okay, and right here below I'm gonna add another video so you can see a real DeVaDi about a specific topic. Okay, so good luck on the investigation. Thank you for sending your homeworks, you guys. You are doing awesome, and see you tomorrow. Bye.